DIY TV on the YouTube. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today, I'm actually bringing you a new product from Sunjoe. This is actually a sponsored video. Sunjoe actually sent me this product here. It's actually their new Ergie line, and Ergie stands for ergonomics. So what Sunjoe is doing, they're actually looking at a lot of the garden tools that you guys are using, me and you, guys and girls, and they're kind of thinking outside the box and saying, how can we make these products a little bit more ergonomic? Okay, now I know for me, ergonomics was never an issue until I actually had an issue with ergonomics. Okay, and the research is showing more and more younger people are having issues with joints and things like that, working on computers, working on their phones with ergonomics. And it's actually affecting people that are younger and younger. This used to be like an old person thing, right? Whatever you're considered old, they used to think old people, we need to worry about this. But no, this is actually something that younger and younger folks probably should really be taken seriously. So I think this is a great idea. And this is the first I'm seeing of this by a company, Sunjoe. So this is what the box looks like. They mailed it to me, it came in this box. And what this is a rake, okay? And it's our ergonomic rake. You can actually see the picture of it here. It has an additional handle. And what this does, it keeps you a little bit more, I haven't used it yet, so I'll show you how we'll actually use it in this video. It's supposed to basically keep you more upright, so you instead of leaning over, okay? So we're gonna get into that. They make the steel rake. They make some other tools as well. They make some other gardening tools with the same kind of concept, but this video is gonna be specifically about this rake. Okay. I don't know, if you have a rake now, you know from storing a rake, they're super frustrating to store. I actually have two other rakes. They're real big. They're always, really don't ever have a good spot to put them. What I thought about, I was really excited when I first saw this because not only is it the ergonomics that are good, when I'm done with this rake, because think about it, you only use a rake one season a year, right? You use it during the fall. So the nice thing about this is I can put this together, use it during the fall, and then basically put it right back in the box and put it somewhere in my shed. And this thing isn't something that's gonna be all over the place all summer long when I don't need it. So that's also another great thing that you're able to basically take this thing apart and put it back together when you need it. I really like that. I don't like things that are big and in the way constantly. Okay, so this seems to be pretty intuitive on how to set it up. There's probably instructions, and I can hear my dad right now saying, read the instructions, but you know what? We're gonna wing it. I think this is exactly how it goes together, so we're gonna do that. Instructions. Circle. So probably what I would do, so we'll slip this in here. So we're in after our about 5th or 6th day of raking, and I'm going to admit to you, I love this rake. I have 4 rakes now, this is being the 4th one, and if I'm gonna go out and rake, I'm gonna grab this one, and let me tell you why. First of all, I really like this handle. This handle actually acts almost like a pivot point, and it allows you to really control this and actually push down a lot and get some good force down when you're actually raking. So I do like that. You're actually pulling a lot more comfortably because your hand is in a more natural spot. Instead of being down here and kind of twisted, or however you hold the bottom, you're standing up straight and you're actually doing more of like pull like this. It's actually a lot more ergonomical, a lot more comfortable. You don't sacrifice any functionality with having this handle. If anything, you actually gain a lot of functionality because of this extra ability to pull in a natural position. This almost back here is almost like a steer. You're almost using this to steer it. This is where you're actually doing a lot of your force. And since it's in a very ergonomical position, you're getting a lot more force into the rake. Durability, I don't see an issue with durability. I'll tell you, I have 3 other rakes. All of them are plastic. 2 of the 3 are broken. Okay, I do not see this thing breaking anytime soon. I think this will be around for a long time. This will be my to-go rake. I will not go use my other rakes. They'll be for other people. You can take this apart. I already said that in the beginning. I really like that. I will admit, I did put this together wrong when I first put it together. Even though I joked about not reading the instructions, there's probably instructions, and you know, we're gonna wing it. I think this is exactly the instructions. I put together the handle leading the other way, and I did use it the other way for a few days, and it was completely fine. Not until I got to editing this video did I notice I actually was using it in the wrong position. So I went out and I fixed it. I used it for a few more days, and I'll tell you what, I had no issues with it in the other position, but in this position it even got better. So I love this rake. I have no issue with the durability, with anything. I have no issue with recommending this to you guys or recommending this to my family or my friends. And I think Sunjo did a good thing here. I thought this was a little gimmicky in the beginning, but no, I do think this is the start of something really good. This is really important stuff here. I'm gonna put a link to this down below so you can pick one up yourself. But I wanna thank Sunjo. They did come out with a really good product. This Ergie line, I think, is the beginning of something very, very big. And I'm Mike from Family DIY TV. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate Sunjo. And please like, please subscribe. I'm Mike, and I'm out.